Hey guys, welcome to Fairfax, Virginia at AceVacuums, your local neighborhood Kirby authorized dealer. Today we're going to show you guys some of the couple Kirbys that we work on and some details about the services that we offer. Come on in. Alright guys, so here's just a couple of the Kirbys that we service. This one here is going to be a G4, and then the one here right next to me is going to be the Ultimate G series. So we service everything down from the G1 to the G5, the Ultimate G, the Satria 1, Satria 2, Avalier 1, Avalier 2. So if you guys are having any issues with your Kirby, if the suction isn't good, it's making loud noises, if you need to get a roller replacement, a belt replacement, just need to get a new outer bag, whatever the case may be, we're an authorized service center for Kirby. So any questions you have or any parts or any work you need done, we also offer the Kirby overhaul service, which we do a complete overhaul on your machine from top to bottom to get it running to its best performance. If you guys have any questions, you can give us a call. It's a free estimate on your vacuum, 703-997-9292. We do it both here in Fairfax, Virginia, as well as in Leesburg, Virginia. So if you have any issues with your Kirbys, come see us here at AceVacuums for all your Kirby needs. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend and hope to see you out. Have a good one.